How to know if someone saved your number in WhatsApp. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. To know if someone saved your number in your WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app in your device. Once you are in here, select the contact that you want to know. When you tap on the contact, you need to tap on the username icon. If you find some of the details about the person or the contact, just know that they have saved a number in WhatsApp. However, if you are not being able to see this, go ahead and follow this next step. You need to open up your Play Store first and foremost. Search for your WhatsApp app. Make sure it is up to date. If not, uninstall the app and reinstall it later. Then tap open your phone setting. Scroll down to the very bottom. Click on apps. Head to all apps and search for WhatsApp. Start off by force stopping it. Head to storage and cache and clear it up. Next, while you are in your setting, check out your system update. Make sure your system is up to date. And that is it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.